Hi, today we have Skoda Fabia 1.2 petrol engine. I'm going to show you how to remove the radiator. To remove the radiator, we first need to remove the front bumper. The front bumper has one bolt, one plastic bolt, then it has bolt here also and on the other side, and we need to open the front underwings. We have removed the top bolts, we have removed lower bolts. Now we can remove the front underwings. We have removed the left underwing, and you can notice here and here are two bolts that hold the front bumper. Now we do the same thing from the other side. Now we have removed the front underwing from the right side. Now to open the two bolts. Now we can remove the front bumper. Next to do is to detach the air conditioning condenser. There are 4 bolts, one is there, 2, 3, and the other one is in there. Also we have to remove the fan. To remove the fan, we are going to remove air hose pipe for the air filter. To remove the fan, first we are going to disconnect the electric plug here. And we are going to disconnect coolant hose. There is no coolant because the radiator was broken and the coolant was all off. Also you can notice that frame here is broken. There is no frame to support lower mountings of the radiator. Now we can unplug this electric for the fan. There is like a button here, just press it and pull it out. We have disconnected the electric plug. Now we can remove the fan. To remove the fan, there is quick release plastics. Just push them with screwdriver, one from this side and one from this side. And pull up the fan. And now the only thing is left is the radiator. We have removed the two pipes. Now to unplug the thermal connector for the fan. And now we can open the bolts for the AC Now we are going to open these bolts. We have removed the front end support. Now we are opening mountings for the radiator. We are going to push towards the engine to open the last two bolts from the AC radiator, and we can remove the coolant. And you can see here at the mounting, the radiator is broken.